Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. It is me, your FlyLady Kat, and we're here today to give you, well I'm here today, to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday. It is a free day. So these are the things we're doing. We're doing our routines. We have 5 of them. Morning routine, paper routine, laundry routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. We're also doing our zone. No, we're not. We're skipping our zone. It's our free day, but we're in zone 2. And we are having our basic weekly plan, which is free day. So enjoy your free day today. I know it's a double whammy this week, isn't it? So it's a nice surprise. All right, so we know how to do morning routines. We know to do them before the kids. We know how to do evening routines. We know how to get everything ready for the next day. Don't forget that you have, I'm sorry guys, I have a fan on because it's warm in here, and I've decided that I'm now wearing my fall clothes. So they're not hot, it's just different. All right, so, but it is warm in my room because the sun is coming through the window here. So you don't care to hear all that, do you? I'm sorry. All right, so anyway, this is a great day. Make sure that you have a launch pad by the front door where you have your kids' backpacks, their shoes, make sure their lunches are made the night before, and enjoy this day. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Payroll fly babies, here's what you're doing. You're getting up and doing your morning routine. After the morning routine, you're doing, the kids are going through their routine. They're going off to school or wherever. You are going to work. When you're at work today, we're going to think about the weekly home blessing hour. Who's getting a piece of that today? Remember, there are 3 baby jobs. Baby jobs. Dusting, cleaning the glass of spots, and emptying those little garbage cans. Those are super simple jobs. The more challenging would be stripping the bed, making the, washing the sheets, and putting the sheets back on. Of course, that's broken into 3 parts, 3 simple parts. But if you have a child who is under 9 years old, they won't be able to do that without help. 9-year-old may need a little help, but by the time they're 10, if you've been doing it for a year, telling them all year long, hey, this is something you can do. These are the tricks to getting the sheets, the fitted sheets on. These are the tricks to putting on the pillowcases. By 10, they ought to be able to make their beds by themselves, putting the sheets on, etc. All right, and then what do we have? The other one is the floors. The only reason I think the floors are harder is because I have a bad back. So it does require pushing something across the floor. Again, a thing any kid can do, and you can do too. If you have a challenge with a bad back like I do, I have a very delicate back. My husband actually does the vacuuming upstairs for me. I still push the dry mop thing over my wood floors, and I also mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. So they're not hard, they're just more of a challenge for me personally. So I know you'll have some things that are a challenge, and that's okay, you can do it anyway. It's not hard. Okay, after the weekly home blessing hour, which you're breaking up into pieces, if you're working all day and hopefully delegating, or doing when you get home from work, the other thing is our zone, and we're in the kitchen. So you know you've picked out 4 things to do in the kitchen, unless you're still decluttering. You're going to declutter in the kitchen. So when you get home today, you're going to inspect what you expect for all the things you delegated, and those won't be a lot because you didn't give piles of work to your kids to do. Remember to instruct them not to spend more than 10 minutes. It's the opposite of what you usually do, right? All right, and then make dinner, put the laundry in, go through an inch of paper. While dinner is simmering, you can go ahead and work in your kitchen a little bit, and maybe you need to do a little bit of the weekly home blessing hour yourself if you don't have delegatees. All right, after that, everybody's doing our after dinner routine, etc. So that's it for today. Sorry I left you out. Glad I added you on the end. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.